Hi, this is Keisha, the instructor. Welcome back to my channel. And on today, I want to talk about how to make a table in Excel. As you see, I already have two tables here in Excel that I've currently created. But what we're going to do, first, we're going to go to the Office bit ribbon, and you see the Insert tab. You select the Insert tab, you can choose Table. And then in this example, we're just going to highlight anywhere within the worksheet. And if we had headers, like in this example that I've already typed, you would select this option here that my table has headers. But since our table doesn't, we're going to take that off, uncheck that. You click OK, and then that quickly a table has been created. Then you can add data to your table, and I'm just randomly putting some numbers in this table. Then you can resize it. You click down here in the area within the worksheet, and to resize, you come up here to the columns up top, and you can resize in this example to make your columns wider, or if you need to do the same for your rows, the height, you could do that here. Now for formatting, you have the table selected. You notice we get this table design tab. If you select off of the table, that particular ribbon or tab on the Office ribbon goes away. So in order to have that, you'd have to select the table, and then the table design tab appears. First, you have the header row. If you don't want the header row on, you select that and it takes it away. We're going to keep that on. If you want to add a total row, you can do that, and then it totals this column 3 row, which is 13, right? So we'll take that one off. And then you can, right now it's banded rows. You can take that off, and then they're just plain rows, just like what I have here in this table. So we're going to put the banded rows back on. And then you can do first column, where the first column is bolded, or the last column. You can band the columns as well, and then finally you can put a filter button, which ours is on, or you can turn it off, depends on what you're trying to filter. Then that leads me to formatting. Over here is our table styles. You can click the down arrow and you can choose a different format. If you like this format better, the brown table style dark 3, that quickly we've changed the particular style or format of this table. So I've already showed you how to do a little resizing and moving your table. Let's now look at one of the tables I've already created, and if we needed to change some things on this table, maybe we wanted a different format, that quickly we could change that. If you wanted to filter out whichever column you want, say you only want to show just 47, click OK, and then it shows just 47. And if you want to undo that, we undo, and you can do the same for each column. Just depends on what you're trying to accomplish. You can either insert smallest to largest, or what have you. So that concludes this lesson on how to make a table in Excel. Please return and watch more videos for beginners to learn more about Excel. And just to note, I am using Excel or Microsoft Excel 2019. So some features of earlier versions are going to look a little different, but for the most part, if you know one version, it doesn't take too long to figure out another. Thank you.